Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Huobi, full guide step by step clearly. To start budgeting with Huobi, first, create an account on the platform if you haven't already. Visit Huobi's official website and locate the registration button. Fill in the required information, including your email or phone number, and set a strong password. After registering, verify your email or phone number by following the instructions sent to you. Once your account is set up, log in to your Huobi account. Next, familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available features. Look for the wallet section to understand your current funds. So, assess your income sources. Determine how much you can allocate to trading or investments. Set clear financial goals. Decide what you want to achieve with your budget on Huobi. Now, create a separate budget for trading and another for savings or long-term investments. To manage your budget effectively, consider using a spreadsheet or budgeting app. Analyze the cryptocurrencies you're interested in. Research their current market prices and trends. Based on your research, decide how much of your budget you want to allocate to each asset. Once you have your allocations, navigate to the trading section on Huobi. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase and enter the amount within your budget. Confirm the transaction and ensure you receive your coins in your wallet. Regularly review your budget and investment performance. Adjust your allocations based on market changes and personal goals. Set a routine to check your portfolio monthly or quarterly. Finally, keep track of your spending and revise your budget as needed to ensure you stay on track. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.